Hi Chakits, I have been following you and watching your YouTube channel for years.
I have decided to finally relocate to Las Vegas and want to start a new chapter in my life. I know you're the perfect realtor to help guide me to find my next dream home. I am looking for a modern kitchen, large backyard with a pool and a golf course community.
My name is Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, a licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I help buyers like this all the time. So if you're looking for a licensed professional, give us a call at 702-319-1092 or visit lvhomeexperts.com. Buying a home starts here. All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name is Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, a licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So today, I am here on the west side of the Las Vegas Valley. This neighborhood here is Centennial Heights, which is a gated neighborhood on the west side of the Las Vegas Valley, 215 and we just get off right over here. And I wanted to show you guys these townhomes by Lennar. This right here is the Kelvin. It's 1,476 square feet, up to 4 bedrooms on this one. Now let me show you the back side of this, so that way you guys know what's going on. So every building has about 3 units, and I think they have another one that was actually 4 units. They're kind of popular out here in Las Vegas right now for some reason. So as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, but there's only 2 that we can get into today. So we're gonna go take a look at the Kelvin. HOAs here are $112 a month. There's no SIDS or lids here whatsoever, which is really nice. And the pricing is about $325 to $330, or I'm sorry, $365. So a couple things that you do get here. What I like about with Lennar, a lot of things that you see will actually come with it. So like this, you got the ring, you got this beautiful keypad too as well. I'm gonna come inside because it is a little bit chilly. Okay, so a couple things that I see as we come in. Beautiful flooring, nice tile work. However, that is not included, okay? About 95% of the things that you see will be included. This is the 2-car garage. However, I don't know if it's epoxied or not. Typically, it doesn't come with epoxy. On this one, you should have the texture on the drywall. And also, it should be insulated. Now, it does come with a MyQ garage door opener from Lift Master. Some storage space here. Here's your quarter bath, which is pretty large. 6-panel door. These doors are not solid core doors. This is a 6/8 on the door here. You got your standard door frame. The texture here is more of a type of alligator print, but typically this is what we call the knockdown. So it's more like a heavy orange peel. Now with this type of paint, there's certain type of paints out there that come with like more of a low E paint. Believe it or not, it's more of a commercial grade where it insulates your home a lot better. We got some straight edge cornering as well. What I like about this builder, you do get the blinds too. Now, Lennar has integrated a couple of things as far as like smart home technology. The Eero, basically, it's a system that helps pick up Wi-Fi signal without dropping. Also, it monitors the usage of the internet. If somebody else is tapping in, it's secure. And also, you can monitor what your kids are looking at too as well. So I think that's a kind of a cool system. It does come with that. In addition to that, you have this new system from Moen, which is, it's actually the flow. So basically, what is the flow? It's actually a shutoff valve at your main valve in the garage. And what it does now, it actually monitors the behavior of your water usage, right? And this is what's cool about this feature. Let's just say it identifies from 8 o'clock to 5 o'clock you're not home, but there's constantly water running. The system that has an app, it notifies you, and it shuts off the water with that app. I think that's the coolest thing ever. Let's take a look on this side here. Ceiling heights are 8 feet. Coming into the kitchen, we have a hard composite, which is a quartz type material. The backsplash here is going to be an upgrade. Now you got these white cabinets. Now these are not full overlay cabinets. However, they're actually pretty decent dovetails. But the quality of wood is not your top notch, but it's a lot better. And this is actually engineer press wood here, you can tell, right, just by the look of it. But this is a lot better than MDF with the staples on the side. Soft closing cabinets. These are not full overlay cabinets, but they are white shaker cabinets. You got 36 inches on the cabinets above. Obviously you can't do 42 because it's gonna hit the top. Then we have a crown as well. Undermounted sink. Not bad with the undermounted sink here. Let's take a look at this dishwasher. What we got with the dishwasher? Refrigerator, GE. Pantry space. Let's see what we got for pantry space. Okay. Thermostat downstairs. We have the doorbell right above. Let's go upstairs. Let's see what we have here. Now, if you guys want more information about this property, I will have it in the link in the description below. Also, another thing is that if you guys are looking to purchase a brand new home, if you check out the description of the video, I have like all the links in there as well. Another thing is that we finally just launched a new course, and if you guys want to learn how to do video home tours and monetize your video home tours, right, and how to generate leads and business from these type of video home tours, I literally created a step-by-step process for you. I made it very easy, and this is for the agents out there that want to generate organic business. That's right. We got a second thermostat here. Now, also, if you're not a real estate agent and you want to make money from these type of video home tours, what's great about this is I can show you how to do the video home tours, how to get into these type of homes, right? Not only that, how to create a database that you can work directly with an agent like myself for referral fees, right? That's right. And also get monetized. Imagine that. And sponsorships, affiliated marketing. So the opportunity is there, folks. So I will have that in the link in the description below. And the name of this course is called Real and Tour. Real Tour. That's REALTOUR. That's right. We're doing a real tour right now. Pretty catchy, right? Nice high cabinets, 36 inches. Love that. Hard composite. Again, this looks like Corian. And one of my favorite tub shower combos, fiberglass. I believe this is a aqua on this. So how many bedrooms we got? 1, 2, did we go on this one? Nope, not yet. 4 bedrooms. Crib. Let's take a look at the laundry room. Washer and dryer is not included, but let's take a look if we... Oh, the only thing they don't have on here is what? A drain pan. You better have a drain pan on here. 48-inch smart panel box, fully equipped, but this is tied up. But as you can see, there's so much in here. It's crazy. Good news, they got a Smurf tube, just in case you need to hook some other things up. So I do like that. Pretty decent sized room. I mean, this is a queen size bed right here. This is probably about 10 by 11. Standard rooms used to be 10 by 10, then 9 by 10. Definitely has gotten a little bit bigger. Let's take a look on this side here. Okay. You got your transfer grill right there. Oops. Hitting the plant. I mean, it's not bad. I would say definitely more of a starter home. So if you guys are going to go grocery shopping, right? Here's that 215 right there. You'd have to head north on the 215, get off of Centennial. There's the hospital right over there. I don't know if you guys can see it. So that's where all your shopping is going to be. Or you can come back on the 215, hit up Cheyenne too as well. Or take the 215, head south till you hit Charleston for downtown Summerlin. So that's an option. Also, don't forget to check out our LV Home Experts podcast every Wednesday at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We talk about real estate financing, what's going on with the Las Vegas housing market. We also give out a lot of information and data. So, all right, guys, I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also give us a thumbs up. I wish you guys nothing but the best and be blessed, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.